Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome to Valor. Today I'm going to show you how to disable the overlay in Epic Games. Of course, I haven't set up the Epic Games buttons, so we'll just close Epic Games from the bottom right and head into our launcher's location. Go to the C drive. Here we go into Program Files, find Epic Games, then go into Launcher, then Portal. And here we're interested in the extras and overlay folders. Go in, and here we have two files called overlay render. There they are. Simply right click on them and add some extension at the end, like dot back. Yeah, dot back. Just like that, press enter. Oh wait, more precisely, more precisely. There we go. Just like that. Press yes, and do the same with the other one. Press enter, press yes, and that's it. Just restart, go back to the launcher, and you're done. The overlay will no longer appear. That was Valor. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel. See you everyone!